Okay, we're gonna be reacting to programmer humor on Reddit.
Nice.
I'm not really a heavy Reddit user. I only use Reddit for one purpose.
What purpose is that?
It begins with N and ends with W.
I was expecting a different letter, but that makes sense too.
Wait, what level you expected?
I was expecting you to say a different letter, but it's the same thing. It's the same thing.
Oh, it's the same. Wait, which one are you on? If it doesn't end with W and start with N.
It's what the N and W represent.
What do you mean? Like, we're gonna bring it out. We're gonna make it obvious. Okay, the W represents work. The N represents not.
No, I meant the content on that.
Oh, like no.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
right.
No, I could tell just by the
N. The word beginning with N and ending with W is less fucked up than the word beginning with P and ending with N.
I don't think so. I think that one, or the way that I use it is that it just gets the best of the other one. And that's what it just gets the best of the other one.
Yeah, but it's also filtered, and I think it's just less harsh.
No, there are. That entirely depends on the subreddit.
Yeah, we should do coders react to NSFW.
My next video. Hey, let's start the thing.
Okay, let's start. So, I guess we'll do try not to laugh, right? I guess we'll do try not to laugh.
Yeah, I'm sure this will be very difficult.
All right, cool. So let's go through a few of them. I've never seen these before, so I'm not really a meme kind of guy, but yeah, as long as there's not too much text on it, I'll be good.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
First one. Why aren't you playing by the rules? I'm looking for a new job. Sure. Just need you to take 2 assessments. Tech screen. When we want 3 interviews, then maybe we'll consider you. Never mind, accept a job at another company that offered what I wanted after 1 interview. No, you were supposed to jump through hoops to prove your worthiness. That is not funny. How's that the funniest thing on this page?
I can't lie though. To play devil's advocate, the one who was saying you were supposed to jump through hoops, those are the ones that actually pay you bare peas or pay you a lot of money. So sometimes the hoops are worth jumping through.
But what I don't understand, how did 140k people like this and programming humor?
It's probably the most relatable one.
Maybe it's because I haven't had many job interviews. So I don't find this funny.
You went in your own job for your whole career.
But then why, if you accept the first one, doesn't that just mean people do? Doesn't that mean that it's probably going to pay less because they only wanted to interview once?
Probably, yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like the ones who want to jump through hoops, those are probably like the big fan companies. Sometimes the hoops are worth it. Sometimes the hoops are worth jumping through.
Would you accept the person that gives you the job after 1 interview, or do you
depends on the company? If Google gave me a job after 1 interview, yeah, sure.
Oh yeah, but how many times has Google rejected you? I thought you said they rejected you a few times.
No, they'd have to respond to me to reject me. They just
That's so all right, moving on. This is not funny. That's not a good start. I'm not gonna lie. All right, David, simple feature. User will understand. User.
I like it.
This is good. I get this because we've built so many features in the past. Like the other day, that dumb feature that you built when you added a comment to the documentation, thinking people were going to understand it, and they didn't.
That's the feature. I just added comments.
Yeah, this is all right. 2 out of 10.
What? That's a solid 6 at 7. Man said 2.
Nah, that's a 2. I don't know. I feel like I could make this funnier. Let me see. What would I do? I'll put Angular : it's easy to implement user.
Yeah, let's move on.
What do you mean, man? That's funny. Everyone hates Angular JS.
Let's move on. Let's move on.
All right, moving on. Oh, some promoted content.
What are you doing?
This is funnier than the first one.
There's an ad.
All right. And the guy literally listed one of his skills as good.
Right, move on.
But this makes sense though. That's actually mad. Like, yeah. It's not
look
fun.
At the date, by the way. Look at the date. It's 2020. Was ChatGPT around?
Oh, it wasn't 2 years ago. It's true. But it kind of makes sense though, because Googling back then was like prompting now. So if you could Google, I remember I was good at Googling. I could like find the answers.
Yeah, I think the meme's dead though.
Yeah, it's dead. How's this meme? How's this programming humor? Oh, I get it. Programmers don't have good humor.
Jesus
To
Christ.
them, to them, this shit is fucking. I bet someone, look, 119,000 people probably laughed their ass off to this.
I wouldn't say laugh is. I don't know. Let's
It's
move
just-
on.
All
Let's
right.
move on.
Manager does a little code cleanup. Part today will be turning off the microservices bloatware. That's not actually needed for Twitter to work. Don't know if you have to affect the microservice for years, but you shut down to log back in.
I'm calling cap.
Okay, I get it, but do memes usually require you to read this much? I don't know. Yeah, the memes I'm used to like just has 4 or 5 words.
It's a tweet. What are you talking about? It's just a
Yeah,
tweet.
this is a tweet. How's this a meme? They're just screenshots of a tweet. Okay, next. I guess let's speed it. Let's speed run it. Speed run it. Still, what is stolen? Designers, look, we have similar ideas. No, you stole my idea. Man, I stole your code. It's not my code. Yeah.
Is that true? You being a designer, do you feel that way?
I'm not a fucking designer.
Oh yeah, no, it's London. Oh, you do the
I could fig my hair in there.
No. All right.
I can fig jam. But look, you stole my idea. I guess it kind of makes sense because, like, if you copy someone's idea on the internet, design-wise, it's kind of fucked up. Whereas you can literally just copy code. No one gives a fuck.
Wait, isn't that what mobbing is for, though?
But mobbing is for stealing UX and stuff and like flows. And I guess, yeah, you can copy the UI, but if someone sees, like, every time we used to copy UI of existing apps, I felt bad. It was obvious. It's like, oh shit, this literally looks just like, I don't know, Twitter or whatever.
Who did you copy YSplit? I remember seeing some other app and then thinking, wow, YSplit looks a lot like this.
Yo, YSplit, we copied Truebill perfectly. Like, literally, there was a point where, oh my god, it was Cash App. We literally, you know, the green for YSplit, right? That green was literally copied from Cash App green. We literally like used the color selector tool to like copy the exact same green and move it into
that Chrome extension.
It's literally the same thing. But yeah, that's not funny. Yo, programming humor is not doing it for me right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. All right, next. Programs when they finally get a different error message. Oh, okay. I like that.
Yeah.
I like
Our reaction is bang on. Our reaction.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. It's like, oh shit, I'm finally closer.
Oh, you know, you should upvote the ones that you like.
Fuck it. Why?
Why are you being a hater fan? Spread positivity.
No, it's true. Oh, it's not working.
No, never mind. Let's move on.
Oh, I think I need to like follow the page or something. Or maybe it's I don't fucking understand Reddit, man. Do you react to ends that ends of W? Do you react to ones that you like on there? On Reddit?
Do I react? Hell no. What are you no crazy face? What are you talking? But sometimes I see that share button and I'm thinking, are you crazy? How did this happen?
I know, bro. Sometimes I remember once the phone fell on my face and it like tapped on the share. And I was like, oh my god, 2 more taps by accident, and this shit will end up in my Instagram story.
I swear, sometimes when I'm in the bathroom, I can't lie, and the screen is wet. You know when you're tapping it wet and the screen is wet, and then the share pops up, and then it keeps going. The furthest I ever got was WhatsApp. Like it opened up WhatsApp, and my heart was racing.
Oh my god! Imagine it just sends it to your mom.
I had to breathe. It was crazy.
No, that's fucking jokes. We should definitely make that our next video. We need to react to some of those. I feel like we have more connection there.
That's gonna require a lot of editing.
Well, to like blur things out and shit. All right. No, mom, it's not a messy pile of clothes on my chair. It's an L1 cache for fast random access to my frequently used clothes.
Someone done. Move on.
It needs to be big to avoid expensive cache misses. I need to be minimized.
At some point, you gotta give up.
At this point, I think we need to change our channel. We can't call it Coders React because they might expect jokes like this.
Wait, let's give it. I guess we're only 9 minutes in. Let's do. I want to say 5 more, and if they're all whack, let's just move on to something else.
Let's just give up.
Yeah, let's just move on.
We could just Google. I could just ask. We just go to Google and just find some good memes there.
Also, ChatGPT to come up with memes because it can actually draw now, so it can create images.
We'll be sitting there for 10 seconds. Okay, come on. We got it. Five more. There has to be a funny one there. A more accurate representation of what happened with YouTube.
I'm guessing YouTube was down 5 years ago, and
I have an idea. Okay, maybe instead of doing all time,
I didn't even get through one.
I'm gonna do this month.
Okay.
Like, so it's something funny right now.
Yeah.
All right, me showing my friend how his 1,000 line SQL can be written in 10 lines of code in Python.
You know, if I ever have to interview again, because I used to do it in Java, but everyone says use Python because it's just way easier.
I can see it, yeah, because you just write simple things and it's just done. You just finished. It actually is true.
Yeah.
But hopefully you never have to interview again because we're going to sell our current company and you're going to be rich forever.
Inshallah.
All right, not sharing your source code out of grief, not sharing your source out of shame.
Could never be me. Could never be me.
What is it? Explain this to me.
Oh, I guess if you're okay, you know, this is perfect. Imagine open sourcing YSplit versus open sourcing Fuse. Would you be proud to show YSplit?
No. Oh, I see what you're saying.
So this one, you don't open source it because you're actually just ashamed of your code.
Yeah,
Whereas this one's like, I guess this one would be Fuse. The first one would be Fuse because we're trying to sell that. We're not trying to show people how we coded it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's not that funny, but I guess it's okay. Programmers, I think our jobs are safer now. Dude, your job is full. That I just made an entire website chat. I want to see it. Sure.
I can't even lie to you. There was a point in my life where I made this mistake. I can't, because I was doing something on localhost, and then Edwin asked me to send him a link, so I literally sent him a link. I can't even lie. I did it. I've done it. I've done it.
You know, it's funny. I wasn't even laughing for that reason. You just made me realize why this is funny. But I was laughing that it wrote like an index.html website. Because index.html website is fucking stupid. Like, what the fuck?
Was that why you were laughing? You were laughing because you made it with index.
Yeah, because I was like, no one, like, you obviously have to use like React or some like good framework. But if you're making it with pure, but I think my brain was thinking too far. But that is fucking hilarious. That is funny. Yeah, that's not a bad one. If you love me, meet me at the first table.
I love his face there in the bottom left.
Is that what you're looking at? You're looking at the whole thing. You liked his face. That's what you concentrated
It's just
on.
a goofy face. It's just goofy.
Yeah. Would you say meet me at the first? Well, even as a programmer, let's say there was 0. Let's say the table started with 0, and then you told me meet me at the first table. But we wouldn't. We'll say 0. I'll say meet me at the 0 index table.
Index 0, yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't say first table. This guy's chatting shit. This person doesn't know how to code. They probably started coding last month and they thought it was funny.
I mean, to be fair, 18,000 upvotes. It's
yeah, but I bet you there's loads of people on this channel that like code on this Reddit that like code for fun by watching videos on the internet. When there's a task that can be done manually in 10 minutes, but you find a way to automate in 10 days. Yo, dude, I'm laughing. This is the story of my life. I swear to God. I swear to God. The amount of times I'm like, oh no, there has to be a faster way of doing this. But if I just manually looked at everything, it'll be fucking finished. Nah, that's hilarious. That reminds me of
this. Hey, give it a little upvote.
Oh, yeah, I can upload this. Yeah, you're happy now. Why does that mean so much? You know, this reminds me of you know, when we're doing a matching with the institutions.
Oh yeah.
And we're trying to match.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it took us months to write some shit. By the end of the day, we manually did it. I swear.
Those are company secrets, fam. Let's move on. Maybe even edit it out. Maybe even edit.
Can you remember the worst thing that you've spent a long time trying to automate?
I spent a long time trying to automate.
And it would have been faster to just manually do it.
The thing is, there are some things where I don't feel like I'm a normal engineer. And for a lot of things, even if it was quicker to automate it, I'd probably just rather do it manually. I can't be fucked right now.
So you're the opposite of this. It takes 10 days to automate to manually do it. But
I'll take 10 days to manually do it. I'll be bothered.
Okay. Yeah, this is way more funnier. Last month. The website doesn't use cookies. Got it. Don't show again. Click.
I like that. I like that.
Yeah. I don't think that really happens to me though. It usually does go away.
No, as in like, no, the joke is that of course it has to use cookies so it knows not to show you the pop-up again.
I'm dumb, mate. What the fuck did I miss that? Oh my god, I'm stupid. Fuck.
You said, wait, that doesn't happen to me.
Wait, but okay, you fuck it. You wanna be nerdy right here?
Wait,
You
what?
You
No,
can
man.
use session storage because if you refresh, it actually keeps the same
Yeah,
session.
you can use local storage. Or you can use
So you can use local storage
and
and then
Nick, move on, fam.
yeah, fuck them. We got this wrong. Fuck them.
Neek.
Okay. All right. Haha, classic. My 2 cents. As a FANG hiring manager, when I see a developer that has open source, I put in the discard pile. To me, it's red flag. How can you really be to your job if you have much spare time?
Yeah, energy.
All right. I see what they're saying.
No, I don't care. Bund open source.
No, but they're saying like
because Kubernetes
people are really working. Yeah. Fuck. Yeah. Hey, MongoDB. Ooh, I like MongoDB jokes. Let's see it.
Neat.
Get me users between 25 and 35 years old. Wait, why is this bad? I don't understand.
Because the syntax is just awful, fam. You keep making fun of me for using like a SQL syntax on top of MongoDB, but this is your syntax.
What's wrong with this? I don't understand. This is perfectly fine. What the fuck? Wait, how would you write this in SQL?
Compare it to SQL. SQL's gonna be way better.
How would you write this in SQL?
Select all from users where age less than 30 and age greater than 20. Literally that sentence I just said.
Yeah, fair. I guess that's pretty. Yeah, I guess that's pretty fun. I thought in MongoDB though, you don't have to do age. I don't think you have to do and on this. I think you could do greater than equal to and then do less than equals to at the same time. If anyone's good at MongoDB, put it in the comment section. I'm pretty sure. I think they're just trying to fuck with us MongoDB lovers. Fuck you guys.
MongoDB lovers.
Let me actually check the comment for this. I have a feeling someone's going to say, actually, you can put it in the same line.
If there isn't one, you should comment that. Show them.
Jesus Christ, died at 33, so he has no list of users.
It's not sharing the comments, by the way.
Oh, look, I'm right.
It's not sharing the comments.
Oh, what? Oh, is this sharing the other play? Oh, but someone actually commented it.
Oh, that you don't have to and.
Huh?
That you don't need and.
Yeah, you don't need that. You don't need and. Yeah, fuck them, man. I knew my shit. Fucking SQL lovers. So it's basically almost the same thing. First attempts for fixes.
How would you do it? Wait, pause it.
I think you just shake the tree.
Oh yeah, I was thinking that too. Wait, what's he gonna do? What the? Oh, he's gonna hit him, or? I didn't expect that.
Oh my god! No, that's funnier than what we thought was gonna happen. No, that's hilarious.
As well. Oh,
was I thinking team is actually solve problems. Snap plays off 20 programmers to speed up decision making.
How does that make you feel?
But why is this the meme? Like, why is this up here?
I guess look at the title. Someone said, finally, someone found the root cause. I don't really get it, but
yeah, it's got some funny thing there. Implemented as the user story describes.
Oh, I think. Oh, I just got it.
All right. All right. C#, PHP, Java. How dare you forget to add semicolon at the end of the statement on line 100. Python. Yeah. We've seen all these jokes a million times. Open your eyes, permission denied. Sudo, open your eyes. When it's not in the sudo was a file, this is never reported. Effects of AI and IT, 10x co-production, Stack Overflow users stopped being toxic. Okay. All right. It'd be so funny if people actually find these things funny and they just think we're stupid and we don't understand any jokes and we have shitty sense of humor. Why would a fowl land on something like this? Why would a fly land on something like this? Rats should be ashamed for falling in this trap.
I like that one. I think I'm surprised you don't like that one because remember,
I didn't actually. You know, it is. I think I'm dyslexic. I was struggling to read this shit. I'm not gonna lie.
I wasn't gonna say anything, but you were really struggling there.
I don't know what's going on.
Falling.
But I've been looking at code too much today, innit? So I can't read normal words anymore. Why would a fly land on something like this? Rats should be ashamed for falling in this trap. Bears. This. Oh, right.
Because remember the other video, you said what 3-letter word.
Yeah. Wait, what's it again?
In the other video, it was like, what 3-letter word causes engineers distress? And your one was AWS.
AWS. Yeah. True.
I love
This 3-tier shit fucking scares me. Like, this is literally. I remember I was watching a YouTuber that got charged $1 million because the thing they used, I think the Lambda function got invoked too many times, and that was it. They were fucked.
That's goofy behavior.
Well, that's fucked up though. Check out our new open source solution to XYZ. Step 1: sign up and get API. So true.
Of course, you have to sign up and get an API key.
But it's so funny because I still don't understand why developers put so much time into those open source shit when the creators are just gonna literally just get money from it. I still don't understand. No, that's actually funny. All right, a few more here. Buying OpenAI for $90.
What?
Just hiring all their devs.
Acquihires, turn up.
Oh, Mastermind Satya. Oh, this was from 3 days ago with the OpenAI shit.
Yeah.
Fam,
let's do 3 more. We've been on it for 20 minutes. Let's do 3 more.
Shit. I guess it was pretty good though. If it just made us spend 20+ minutes without realizing it. Unit testing, game dev. We don't do that here.
I don't.
Who even knows game devs? The game developers, do they count as programmers?
Why are you talking? Why are you talking like that wasn't the hardest module we did in uni?
Is it Unity drag and drop?
Fam, you literally did game dev. You did Unity. It's all
no, but Unity, like, it wasn't my games were shit, not because it was hard to code them. It was just shit games. I'm just not. I know it's creative, but I swear it's drag and drop and like.
I guess for the artsy stuff, but I guess from when I remember it, which one used C#? I think that was Unity.
It was. I remember that shit. It feels like it should be drag and drop nowadays. Just put the character in and just say what they can do. Game devs are gonna come for me. Name the file emo.py debugs for 2 hours.
I feel like if I knew Python, I'd get it.
Yeah. Maybe there's emo.py on your laptop that emos use. And if you name a file that it fucks with it, I don't fucking know, mate. Senior dev asking why I used one undocumented API call when another is 5 milliseconds faster than me trying to get any new feature to work in this spaghetti code. All right. Write a program to print hello world. That's a typo. No, it's not.
Yeah, I think we can call it done there.
Oh, I get it though. That's dead. Let's give this Reddit.
Oh, a rating out of 10?
Yeah, what would you give it? In terms of humor.
I think ignoring the top of all time, the top of past month was actually pretty consistently solid. So 6, I'll give it a 7. Give it
no, 7 not allowed.
Why not? Why?
Because it forces you to make if it's good or not. Because 7, is it good? Who knows? But if 7 is not allowed, then you're forced to say you liked it or you didn't.
I liked it. Thumbs up.
So 8?
It's not an 8. What are you talking about? It's not an 8. I wouldn't go that far.
You tried to. Why you act like you know the creators of this and you're scared to insult them?
I'll give it. To be, ignoring 7, it would be more towards a 6, but a solid 6, above average.
I think it's definitely a 3 out of 10 in terms of humor. But I think maybe it's not for humor. It's for you to just connect with people over something.
Programming humor.
It's not even programming humor. I think it's just like, hey, haha.
No, but I mean, it's literally called the Reddit is programming.
Yeah, I know. So they named it incorrectly. Like, this should be called programmer
memes
connection. Did you say meeks?
No, I said memes. I said programming.
Yeah, it should be like programmer connections or something like that. That would make sense. But
what would you give it out of 10? Ignoring 7. Oh, you said 3.
Yeah, 3. In terms of like things you connect with.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I give it a 2 because of that dumb MongoDB joke. Fuck that.
Oh, you're here.
We're making fun of MongoDB like that. But yeah, in terms of connection to like programming stuff, I'll give it like a 6. Yeah.
Nice.
All right. Let us know what subreddit with actually good programming memes we should react to next. Peace out.